Hi, I'm Furo, and I work as a strategic account executive at SmileID. SmileLinks is our no-code verification tool, which allows our partners to go on our portal and in a few clicks create web links that are secure and can be used to do all kinds of verifications of users. So for early stage partners, typically what we find is you're starting out, you want to test out your solution and sort of get some sense of product market fit. And with SmileLinks, what you can do is log into our portal, customize your link so you can upload your logo and create the flow that you want. So if you're targeting a specific market, for instance, Nigeria, you can pick the country and the ID types that you want to accept. And basically design the flow that you want your users to experience as part of the onboarding process, and then go ahead to send those links to the users. If you're onboarding a group of people, you can generate a link that can be used multiple times. And then if you're targeting a specific individual, for instance, we have the one-time use links as well. So there are two types of partners. New partners who are just exploring a market, who would use SmileLinks to essentially onboard users that are potentially like on their wait list, or people that have in their friend groups that have shown interest, right, in their product. On the other hand, we have existing partners who are doing different types of verifications. So with the banks, for instance, maybe you're trying to do data updates, right, for a specific segment of your customer group. You can generate multi-use links and then send that to those customers and have them, provide the information that you need. You want a document, for instance, you can create a link using our document verification solution and then have them capture their selfie, capture their image document, and then you then have a photographic copy of the document that you can then store on your end for compliance purposes, for instance. So there are broadly two types of partners that use SmileLinks. For organizations building MVPs, SmileLinks makes things super easy, right? So instead of having to get a developer to build out your entire onboarding flow, with SmileLinks, you go on the portal and you can customize that flow literally by just clicking on the options that are available to you. So if you just want to onboard customers in Ghana, for instance, you can choose to design a flow that requires them to, provide either their Ghana card or to go the document verification route. If you want to onboard customers in South Africa, you have room to basically customize the flow without spending hours or development time, trying to integrate with APIs, and you can ship that pretty quickly to your target customers. So for existing partners who have a book of customers within their portfolio that they manage, right, and they want to perhaps do some one-time verifications, it could be account upgrades, it could be maybe a customer's ID document on file has expired, and so they want to get a more up-to-date version of that document included in the customer's profile. You can leverage the SmileLinks APIs to essentially generate the unique links for each user. Leveraging the APIs, what that means is that for each user that you send out that link to, it's unique to them, and then the responses that come back to you are then tied to the original customer profile. And so your team doesn't have to do a bunch of work around manually matching the feedback from the user to the existing customer profile within your CRM, for instance. SmileLinks supports our three main tools for verifying individuals' identity. Enhanced KYC, where we're just querying the ID authority and then returning the response from the authority to the partner. 2, biometric KYC, where we include our facial verification solution, where we're able to then go a step further and then match the face of the individual that's provided at the point of onboarding to the face from the image from the ID authority database. And then 3, our document verification solution, which essentially enables us to capture the document image, capture the selfie of the individual, match that information, and then also extract all the information from the document and send to the partner for further processing. So SmileLinks gives you the option of customizing a couple of features. Your company name, company logo, you can optionally include a callback URL, you can include your data privacy policy. You have the option of also setting an expiry date for the link so that people don't, misuse the link. Or if you're doing a verification for just a certain period of time, it's easy to sort of cut people off after the deadline, for instance. So using SmileLinks via the portal requires no technical experience. You just have to have an idea of the type of onboarding experience you want to curate for your users, right? And just go ahead and in a few clicks, you can create that experience for them. You can customize the countries that you're dealing with and a couple of other information, but there's no technical skill required, leveraging the portal alone. If you then want to go the API route, it requires just a little bit of work from your engineers to get that up and running. Thanks for listening to this short video about SmileLinks. If you want to know more about the solution, you can either visit our website and look through our documentation, or you can reach out to a member of the team and we'll be happy to spend some time discussing your use case and finding the best solution for your team.